If you're coming into Calgary and plan to use public transportation and want to get prepaid tickets to use for both the C train or Calgary Transit buses, I'll show you how you can purchase them straight from a Calgary Transit app and use them on the C train here on Travel Tricks. Before I get started, thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel as I'm always sharing tricks to help you make your next vacation the best one yet. I'll start downloading the Calgary Transit app on my phone, and when I open it, I notice at the top where it says buy tickets. I'll click that button and I will either purchase an adult ticket, a youth ticket, or get a weekend group pass. This is a discounted ticket made for families or groups traveling together on Saturdays or Sundays. As a group, you can travel together on a specific weekend day, unlimited. It covers up to 5 people in total. The group can be up to 2 adults. In Alberta, that's 18 years old and over, and up to 5 children, 12 to 17 years of age. Because remember, children under 12 ride for free. So I'm going to touch adult. From here, I have 3 choices. I can purchase an adult single ticket, good for 90 minutes, an adult day pass, good until the end of the service, which is at 12 a.m., not 24 hours. If you activate this ticket at 9 a.m., it'll be good until 2 a.m., not 9 a.m. the next day. Or I can purchase the adult monthly pass. It's best to get this at the beginning of the month to get the full benefit from this pass, as it does expire at 2 a.m. on the first day of the following month. I only need a single ticket, so I will press for the adult single ticket. On the next page, the rules of the prepaid ticket is clear. It's non-refundable, it expires in 7 days from the purchase date, and the ticket is valid for 90 minutes from the time of activation. I'll accept and continue. The total is $4, and I have options to pay using my card from Google Wallet or adding one. I'll add one and fill out the necessary information. Once I've filled out the information and used my card, the transaction is successful. To activate the ticket, go to Ticket Wallet. In Ticket Wallet, the adult single ticket is there, and it's inactive. On the main page, the adult single ticket will also be there until you use it or it expires. When you click the ticket, you will go to this page, and there's the button to activate the ticket. Once you click the ticket, if you've clicked by accident, you can still stop it before it activates. I want to activate, so I'll click it. And there's my activated adult single ticket. And all the important information about the ticket is listed for me to keep track how long I have to use it. Now, to use it, I can go to any C-Train platform and I'll see a validator. It has a yellow covering. There's a screen with the words "Scan your ticket," with an arrow pointing towards the scanner. I'll open my ticket on my phone and I'll be scanning the QR code located at the top. A green check mark will appear. That means the ticket is now validated, and I have 90 minutes to use it on the C-Train. There's also a validator on the Calgary Transit buses to scan your ticket there as well. The app is the most simplest way to travel with prepayment. You can transfer to another bus or C-Train within your 90-minute window. Just scan the same active ticket on the next bus validator or station platform validator. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn how the C-Train works, or more things to do in Calgary, I'll be adding videos as I make them, from the Calgary Zoo, Heritage Park, and what to do in the city itself, right here. And please subscribe to my channel, travel tricks, as I'm always sharing tricks to help you make your next vacation the best one yet. Thank you.